Hello, I'm here today with a sorting activity. I made this to go in the classroom. Here's a little dish. I have 3 different types of beads on it. Maybe you can see the differences right here. One is a little tiny round bead. One is more of a square bead. And one is a nice oblong bead with a little bit of a crest in the middle. It's important that they be very different. I'm going to be using my fingertips to feel the differences and taking my sense of sight away. I have 5 of each kind. It does not matter what you choose to use as long as you can definitely feel the differences in the types. I also have 3 little dishes here. And this is a blindfold. Here we go. If you do not have a blindfold, do not worry. This works just as well by closing your eyes. If you use a blindfold, I will advocate the use of a tissue between the blindfold and your eyes. Keeps everybody's eyes safe. So, I have everything here that I normally use. I'm going to start by feeling the object. I've got one of the circular beads in my fingers right now, and I'm just going to feel how it feels in my fingers. Doing this at school, giving a lesson, I would do this and then invite the child to feel it. Okay, that's what that feels like. So I'm going to put that bead right in the first dish. So now I know when I'm sorting these, the round ones go right here in the first dish. Now I've got the square one in my hand. I'm going to feel the square one. When I'm sorting, I'll put the square ones right in the middle dish, right here. Last type, the nice oblong ones. Getting a sense of how it feels. That will go in the last dish right here. Now I'm going to show you with the setup a little different than usual. I'm going to have this here so you can still see it in the video. Usually I would pull everything pretty far down to the table's edge so that you really don't have to move your hands very much to do the activity. Okay, it's really close together. We're going to hope that I can do it a little bit more space. So what I'm doing is a little bit more visible to you. Okay. Now it's time to put the blindfold on. So I know where everything is. Here we go. Almost done. All right, it feels like I've sorted them all. Oh, I did. So now I can check and see if I felt them all correctly. I will show you. See if you can see. Oh, that's the container with all of the little round ones. That's the container with the square ones. And there we have all the little oblong pieces. Yeah. So now I can gently put these back on the tray. And I can put my blindfold back on and do it again. I would love to hear about all the different ways that you can make sorting happen in your home. Have a wonderful time with it. Goodbye.